Uh, okay, today I'm here to present you the different ways to install Linux in a Windows system. What was previously the previous path to install any Linux system on Windows were either by creating a virtual box, you have on the familiar one produced by Oracle VM, or by creating a dual boot by allocating certain space to the system for its smooth running. But now, without much hassle, you can run a Linux system and type any bash command in Windows with the help of Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL. Okay, moving forward. For installing the WSL on Windows, there are many options. I'm going in here for the first one. You can directly download the installer from a web-based platform or you can visit the Microsoft Store for downloading it. Next way is through the command prompt. You can directly open the command prompt interface in Windows, and after it pops up, type WSL install. After this environment will be downloaded directly, and it will be used in your local host of for running and doing some works on it. After the proper installation, you can uh, open the environment by typing wsl.exe on command prompt to run it. First thing first, it will ask for a setup for password for the system. After completing it and setting up some password for the system, you can run any command on the platform and use it as a choice. Before installing any other repositories, please update the system by typing the command sudo apt update, and it will automatically update the recent file for you. After update, if there is any new release version, then it prompts for the upgrade, which can be done by typing similar command of sudo apt update. Thank you.